يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين صدق الله العظيم. So many plannings, a lot of things moving around, don't know what to do, what not to do, where to go, where to apply. Yes, it's going to be, inshallah, a very rich session. Please listen very carefully, all the things, inshallah. I hope that, at the end, you will have enough knowledge regarding all about IELTS. Not only IELTS, yes, I'll be discussing each and every corner that whether which area is the best area for you to go, which country. And second thing is, normally students are targeting UK, Australia, Canada, and even after that. But first of all, and the supreme of all, yes, this IELTS. Let's get started, please. Okay, first of all, can anybody tell me the pronunciation of this word? Yes, please. IELTS. Who can pronounce this word? This last one, please. Only two pronunciations, right? IELTS, like stress on E, IELTS. And second is, okay, E silent IELTS. But please don't say IELTS, okay? IELTS, look, International English Language Testing System. I for international, E for English language, L language, T testing, S system. Why is IELTS so much common these days? Because IELTS is the only one test across the globe which is accepted by every organization. Right? Now, who creates these tests? Who creates these tests? Now, please see. Look. Who designs all these tests around the world? Like you have heard a lot about IELTS, TOEFL, PT, CAE, blah, 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 blah. Who is designing all these tests, right? And who is the awarding body? Now, see, they are basically created by two companies that dominate the English learning system worldwide. The first one is ETS. Now, remember this here. Now, this is what a complete family, I'm sure that this would be very much clear. We can understand all the tests. Now, look, English tests, preparators. How many look like there's ETS, there is Cambridge English Language Assessment, right? Now, these are the products of Cambridge English Language Assessment. But if you go to ETS, yes, no, the biggest product these days, the running product, that is TOEFL, right? After IELTS and PTE, yes, TOEFL is another very big product, and this is produced by ETS. We have very big family: TOEFL Primary, TOEFL Junior, TOEFL ITP, TOEFL IPT, TOEFL PPT, and then we have TOEIC Bridge, TOEFL, GRE. All these tests are prepared and designed by ETS and then sent across the world, and then the tests are conducted, and then and your certificate is issued by ETS there. So within 2 years, you will have to apply. You will have to just get enrolled with any university, wherever you want to apply. These days, what I'm recommending that IELTS, PTE, these two tests, right? TOEFL, again, I would say that it's not that much accepted. Big question here: how is IELTS test conducted? There are two phases a test is conducted here. Remember, when we apply for IELTS, right? So you will receive two emails. The first email for the speaking section, the second email for the listening, reading, writing section, right? Speaking is again having three possibilities: before listening, reading, writing, after listening, reading, writing, and the same day. For example, today is 12 December, right? And you have listening, reading, writing today. So basically, IELTS test is done in two different settings. The first setting, listening, reading, writing. The second is speaking section. Now, it is also possible that your speaking may be conducted after listening, reading, writing. IELTS test conduction. Yes. Paper-based and computer-based. It takes 13 days. Online result is after 13 days, while after 2 days, then you can get your hard copy. copy. So it takes around 15 days overall to get your result. But remember students, those students who are applying with computer delivered, they will get result within 3 days. Those, even you are having master's degree, even you are having, MPhil, PhD, fine. But for UK work permit, you will be needing 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, and 4.5 each. FSC students can apply even to Australia, Canada, UK, US, even Germany, but I don't recommend to go to it because Germany is language barrier and all that. So English countries, yeah, they should target English countries there. So 2 6s and 2 5.5. Now in any two, yes, whether listening reading 6.6, whether reading writing 6.6, whether speaking listening 6.6. If in case you get 1.5, 1.5 is big punishment. So I would strongly recommend that do not apply with that 1.5 there. Repeat IELTS, better option, okay, because foundation is nothing, this extra English language course, and one foundation is taking almost £10,000 the minimum in the UK. Well, the higher the education, the higher the requirement. So definitely 7.5 each, right? And if in case, believe me, still I'm having more than 18 to 19 doctors in pipeline, and they are waiting, sir, please, IELTS applied 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, and they can't pass. In listening they get 7, reading they get 6.5. So what, students normally they go with PTE, but even for doctors, if in case you can qualify IELTS, okay, very good. IELTS is $1, yeah, it works everywhere there. But if in case you can't pass it, then go with PTE, or if not, then OET. OET is like occupational tests. Okay, these days these three tests are really in the market: IELTS, PTE, and OET. In OET, you will get your favorite topics. It's all about your course related, so you can easily qualify. And please now, ask question, please. Yes. If there is any question, so I can proceed now. So far, up to now, any question in this, this small lecture, please. Yes. Yeah.
Sir?
Yes.
In the writing portion of the test, what are you required to be writing?
Good. Look, in writing section, basically, we have 2 parts. One is report writing, and the other is essay writing. Yeah. Now, what is report writing? Very much unique, very much different. Okay. In report writing, they always give you a diagram. Maybe graph, bar graph, pie chart, table, map, process writing, or something is given and you will have to report that diagram in your words. If you see even my profile, my students used to bring 7, 7.5, 6.5, 7, 7.5. I have been teaching IELTS in Peshawar since 2005, see and believe me that 7 band is very much easy. It used to be very much easy. These days after UKVI, after 2014, IELTS writing section is now very hard because writing is marked out of Pakistan. Now the markers are not natives in Peshawar.
Example, there's an agree disagree topic, and let's suppose the topic that you just gave off the top of your head. If a person goes for agreeing with this topic versus a person who goes for disagreeing with that topic, so is that essay judged based on the tester's political view?
No.
Based on their English language skills.
Got it. One of my students, let me give you this, good answer here now. Ghufran, he was here with me, and he passed IELTS. He went to Italy, and from there he was applying to Australia. What we do? For example, I'm your examiner, yeah, and I ask you, can I have your name? Aisha. Now, look at here. If I ask you, okay, can I have your name? Aisha. How to start with very effective, approach. I have very good formula for this now. The first formula is ARE formula. What is A? Answer. R, reason. E, example. So don't go with E. Only A and R. Answer, reason. Ask me again. Now I will give you, even stronger level of English, right? This was actually the first answer will find out because I speak simple English. Simple sentence I spoke. In the second answer, I gave you, a bit compound English. Now I'm going to give you even stronger English. Ask me again.
What is your name?
My name is Sami IELTS, but you can call me Sami. However, people, love to call me Sami as well. Or another way. Now, my full name is Sami IELTS. However, people love to call me Sam. Now, it's another way. In the beginning, you said yes. Don't say yes.
Sure you can. I'm ready.
Let's play this game now. Okay. All right. Yes, ma'am is here. Okay, all right. Okay. Well, no, first that guy, yeah? Okay. Shh. All right. So, let's start the game.
Let's begin.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Hassan.
Are you Hassan?
Definitely.
What do you do?
I'm student.
Are you a student?
Of course. I'm student.
Please don't make it. Very good, very good. Excellent. Very nice. Excellent. Okay. Hassan, come on, please. Yeah, Hassan, don't take time, okay? Hassan, tell me something about your favorite food.
My favorite food is zinger burger.
Do you like biryani?
Often.
Don't take much time, please, okay, right? Okay, very good try, mashallah. Excellent. Good job, very good. Excellent. Good job. Super. Good. Okay. Let's move on. Are you standing or sitting?
I'm sitting.
Are you sitting?
Of course I'm sitting.
Super job, excellent. But are you feeling this thing we use a lot? Yes and no in English. But we don't know, okay, that we're using yes and no all the time. Believe me, if you remove this yes and this nose, yeah. This is not even CAE. This is IELTS. In IELTS, the best thing is what? Your proper human being is sitting in front of you. How to impress him? This is okay, just in your pocket. But if you say, can I have your name? Aisha. What do you do? Student. Where are you from? Peshawar. Are you vegetarian or vegetarian? Vegetarian. And I thought if you don't know English, how to travel? Here, everything's English. Then they applied proper English testing system. If you know English, then you can enter. If you don't know English, how can you study here? Fluently, like English, Arabic, Farsi, and Malay. Along with that, so these are like some international languages, and I have full command of these 4 languages. And this is all well. And if you have anything, you can ask me. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.